Hello everyone, here we've got HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, tap on More icon then, and click on Blocked. And here you can set the general block rules, so for both calls and messages. Let's open call rules at first, and here you can block all incoming calls, you can block unknown numbers or private withheld numbers, so you can choose whatever you want. Then you can block all unknown numbers for messages just by using the switcher. To block some particular contact, let's just add some contact to our list. And if you wish to block this particular contact, tap on More options and select Block Contact. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.